Ever stared at a crumpled wad of receipts and wondered if there was a better way? A way to ditch the shoebox and actually understand your spending? If you're nodding along, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving into the world of digital receipts and expense management, specifically tackling a question that pops up a lot. What's the real difference between smart receipts and Expensify? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or even just someone trying to keep a handle on their personal finances. You've got receipts piling up from business lunches, travel expenses, and those sneaky little office supplies. You need to track them, categorize them, and maybe even submit them for reimbursement. But the thought of manual data entry is enough to make anyone's head spin. That's where smart receipts and platforms like Expensify come into play, promising to streamline the whole process. So, what exactly are smart receipts? At their core, smart receipts are digital versions of your traditional paper receipts. They leverage technology, often optical character recognition, OCR, to extract key information like vendor name, date, amount, and even line items directly from the receipt image. This data is then automatically organized and stored, making it searchable and easily accessible. Many apps and services, including some banking apps and dedicated expense management tools, offer smart receipt functionality. Now, let's talk about Expensify. Expensify is a comprehensive expense management platform designed for businesses of all sizes. It goes beyond just capturing receipt data. Expensify offers features like automated expense reporting, credit card reconciliation, mileage tracking, and even direct reimbursement. Think of it as a full-fledged financial tool that integrates with other accounting software, like QuickBooks and Xero. Here's where the key differences emerge. Smart receipts, as a feature, are often a component of a larger system. They focus primarily on the initial data capture and organization. Expensify, on the other hand, provides a complete workflow for managing expenses from start to finish. It's not just about digitizing receipts, it's about automating the entire expense reporting and reimbursement process. One of the biggest distinctions lies in the level of automation and integration. While smart receipts might automatically extract data, Expensify goes further by automatically creating expense reports, matching transactions to credit card statements, and even enforcing company expense policies. It's designed to eliminate manual data entry and streamline the approval process. Another crucial difference is the scalability. Smart receipt functionality might be sufficient for individuals or very small businesses with simple expense tracking needs. However, as businesses grow and their expense management needs become more complex, a platform like Expensify becomes essential. It can handle multiple users, complex approval workflows, and integration with various financial systems. In essence, smart receipts are a fundamental tool for digitizing and organizing expense data. Expensify leverages this tool and builds upon it to provide a robust expense management solution. It's like comparing a single tool in a toolbox to the entire toolbox itself. If you're looking for a simple way to digitize your receipts, a smart receipt feature might suffice. But if you need a comprehensive solution for managing business expenses, Expensify offers a much more powerful and feature-rich platform. Think of it like this: smart receipts are the foundation, and Expensify is the complete structure built on that foundation. One focuses on data capture, the other on data management and workflow automation. If you need a simple digital filing cabinet, smart receipts are great. If you need a financial control center, you need Expensify. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.